Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to the Bitcoin update today. And Bitcoin is really messing up with the patterns again. It is kind of like the market maker is really toying with a lot of traders. And you can see that he was printing in this inverse head and shoulder, so left shoulder, head, right shoulder. And for a moment, I thought this is reversing really well, and we really had a successful retest, and then you came down, unfortunately. So take the fact that you have this little bit of inverse head and shoulder, and then what does the market maker does the next minute? He does breaks it, retest it, and instead of pushing prices to $85,000 as the technical target, he actually drops the prices again. But we still have one little bit of support that I can actually tell you. And if you check this on maybe the 5 minutes time frame, it's not the most favorable time frame, but right now, even at 77,000, there seems to be one area that Bitcoin might find support and maybe try to go back up again from here. So this, you can see that is a very small inverse head and shoulder that it previously Bitcoin was trying to break, and kind of break out of it. So you have a very small tiny left shoulder, head here, right shoulder, and eventually you pumped up, and this is still a support. But unfortunately, if you start to go below and if you lose 76,459, then you could actually continue to drop even further more to the downside. So Bitcoin, man, it's really tricky right now. Okay, it's really tricky. A lot of people are still opening up short position. They're opening up a lot of short position at the moment. And at the same time, when you look at Bitcoin is almost making in a nice good bullish divergence on the RSI, and it is at the absolute bottom at the moment. So could there be any chance that we see Bitcoin actually bottoming out from here? That's just a question, because if you bottom out from here, it does look like we're printing in a double bottom in here. So maybe perhaps if we do hold this 77K, this can actually flip into a double bottom. And who knows, as soon as you wake up tomorrow and you look at the prices, Bitcoin could start to move back up again one more time. So yes, I think putting a stop down to maybe 73,961 is going to be a good idea. If you take out 73,961, it's probably likely that you just continue down to 69 or probably 64 as the next two areas that I do see Bitcoin coming and dropping down to. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you the next one. Love.